Hey everyone, it's your DIY crypto guy. It is Tuesday evening, US side. I wanted to, you know, get this pretty much a short video out and kind of let you guys know kind of what's taking place, what events have transpired over the last few days, what this dip is all about. There's just so many things. So just to get straight into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial, legal, nor tax advice. So looking at the coin market cap, we see that the total market cap, the estimated, total market cap has dipped below 2 trillion. We're at 1 trillion 939. And what's happening? If you see some of the news, I think today China came out for the 99th time this year. It's a bit of a pun, a bit of a joke, where they are saying that they're banning crypto transactions. My opinion, from experience, from going through numerous cycles like this, I'm going to give you my experience and my opinion. There's a lot of FUD going on, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. There's a lot of information out there attacking Bitcoin. If you attack Bitcoin, that will cause the total market cap to drop. It will cause, let's just say, new investors in the crypto space to sell their cryptos and say, oh my goodness, we have a 9% drop, we have a 10% drop, we have a 5% drop. This is not for me, I'm going to sell. And this is what they want. I'm going to include two articles in this video, just to show how bullish things are and what is actually happening when Bitcoin dips and the price of Bitcoin. I mean, yes, a few weeks ago we were at a Bitcoin all-time high of I think approximately $64,000. Now we're at $40,825. So that seems to be a massive pullback or crash or dip, and people are scared. People are panicking. People are not accustomed to seeing such red days and for so long, because technically a lot of people, a lot of influencers, even like myself, we've stated that, oh yes, April going into May is going to be a very, very bullish month, but it's turning out to be a little bearish. So what's really going on? And again, I'm going to put it all back to FUD. And what I mean by FUD is, again, with the China information, they take in the environmental impact of Bitcoin. But if you really truly understand, if Elon Musk attacked Bitcoin from an environmental perspective, that makes no sense. Because, if Elon Musk was truly environmentally aware or environmentally conscious, would he be traveling around the world in a private jet? If you were to compare environmental impact, the US dollar has had the most detrimental impact on the globe in the last 100 years. Talk about wars. All wars are fought over what? Resources, money, central banks. So to print paper money is the largest environmental impact that this world has ever seen over the last few decades. Mining gold. Just think of the environmental impact of mining gold and precious metals. So that argument doesn't play any major or significant role. And then, I think there was a CNN interview where the one financial analyst person stated that, oh, well, XRP is greener than Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin is really not that good. Why is Bitcoin so good? Because Bitcoin is destroying central banks. People that are holding Bitcoin know what's happening. The smart money is accumulating Bitcoin. Why? What are governments doing around the world? They are printing money. Inflation is going to kick everyone in the butt. Inflation is going to kick everyone in the butt. What's the best hedge against inflation? Cryptos, precious metals. You can say real estate. However, with real estate, with the prices skyrocketing, property taxes, there's, how liquid is property? How liquid is or how liquid are precious metals, gold, silver, platinum, etc. So cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Doge, Cardano, etc., they are a direct threat to central banks around the world. And they do not want you and I to be wealthy. They want us dependent on the system. Cryptos and Bitcoin is a big FU to the system. So just this article, and I mentioned to you guys, I'm very, very bullish on Cardano. I also mentioned Matic on Coinbase, but just this kind of ties in two major cryptos, Cardano and Dogecoin, and of course, Elon Musk. So Cardano creator tells Elon Musk how to fix Dogecoin. I've mentioned before in previous videos, there's a purpose for Doge. Elon Musk is a smart guy. He's utilizing all of his resources on Doge for a reason. We may not see it now. We may not fully understand the whole, Bitcoin, Doge dilemma or competition, but something is in the works. So Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson is giving Tesla chief Elon Musk some suggestions on how to fix meme crypto asset Dogecoin from the ground up. In a new video, Hoskinson tells Musk and his team of developers to look into a number of research papers in the tech billionaire is really serious about rebuilding Dogecoin. Oh yeah. So if you guys want to go take a look at this is on dailyhodl.com. And this is my other article that ties into and supports what I've been saying for a while now. MicroStrategy buys the dip, acquires another 10 million in Bitcoin. As soon as you sell your Bitcoin, the retail, massive financial organizations are buying up your Bitcoin. Well, you say, well, I've only got 1 or 2 Bitcoin, who cares? But if 500 people, 1,000 people sell each Bitcoin, that's 1,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, these guys are buying it up. If this guy, Michael Saylor, he's not stupid. If he thought that Bitcoin was going to go to zero, you think he would be buying it up? You think he would risk his entire fortune, his reputation, his career? Business intelligence from MicroStrategy has scooped up another 10 million worth of Bitcoin, signaling the company's relentless conviction in the digital asset amid the latest price pullback. I don't like to use these words collapse because if you've been in the space for a while, you know this is not a collapse. So I just wanted to share those with you. So there's a lot of things happening behind the scene which we do not see yet. Even with XRP. I mean, if you look at XRP, even through these pullbacks of the last few days, XRP is maintained at approximately, where did she go? At $1.50. Now, how come XRP hasn't pulled back as much as the others? Some people would argue that, well, they're not on all the trading platforms and they cannot be traded. However, we've seen, I think it was yesterday, XRP was up about to almost 20%. How is that possible if so many exchanges have halted trading of XRP? There's a major plan with XRP. So again, keep an eye on XRP. If you're able to obtain some and throw some money into it, again, not financial advice, but I would hold XRP. I would hold Doge, even Shiba. Matic has done exceptionally well, and that's on Coinbase. And Shibu is down here, down about 11%, 50% over the last 7 days. Okay, guys, hang in there. Things may get a little bit quirky, but hang tight. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Cheers.